Yay! Alright, today, Random TK here, we're playing Joust. This is a good game that I used to play when I was in high school, and yes, I am an old bastard. Here we go. See if we can start. Oh yeah, wave 1. I'm pressing up, down, left, okay. Left, alright, I know how to move left and right. Now how do I jump? The most important thing in this game is to jump. How do I? Alright, control. Alright, I got this. I got this, yeah. Oh shit. Yes, go, 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 go. Get the egg, get the egg. Alright, 2 more to go. So, boo! Alright, what am I gonna do here? Oh shit, that's not good. Come around! Right on top! Come on! Whoa! How did I get so high? Come on. Oh my gosh, that was terrible. That's volume is a little bit too loud. Okay. I need to get control here. Oh my fuck. That wasn't fair, I was adjusting the volume. Alright, really? I have to beat the first level, come on. Please, there we go. Whoa, this guy's good. Why are they so good? It's just the first level. Here we go. Oh yeah. Alright, got through that one barely. Direction keys, survival level. Oh, come on, come on. Gotta be cheaper. Oh my gosh, why are there so many of them? If I just stay here, they can't get me. Yeah, I'll be cheap. I will be okay, no, that's fine. This is crazy, there's so many birds. They're pterodactyls. Whatever the hell they are, ostriches? Alright, got you, and I got you. Oh shit. Oh, I'm gonna get. Oh no! Guy stomped my head. Last life. That is a show! Oh my gosh. Game over. Oh, I have to play again. That was just sad. I gotta get farther than level 2. Come on. I'm better than that. I used to get to like level 10 or something. Damn it. Alright. Oh shit. Oh. Apparently I suck at this game. Alright. And one more bird. We're going in. It's like Avatar. Like the scene in Avatar where the guy jumps on top of the bird. That's what I'm talking about. It made no sense, but that's okay. Ah, fuck, man. They didn't even release all the enemies and I lost. This is sad. Thought I was better than this. Alright, here we go. Come on, bitches. I'm gonna kill all you motherfuckers. Oh. What the hell? Oh. Get him! Go! Attack! From the back, bitch. Yeah. really quickly. Alright, you're dead. And you are dead. And you're dead. No, how did he get me? That was unfair. He was beneath me. Alright, I have to get past the second level. Come on. This is just pathetic. This is just pathetic. Fucking hell. Are you kidding me? I'm a headless ostrich. This sucks. Okay, there's a glitch going on there. Oh man. Why did I do that? Why did I... This is not looking good. Come on, die! Ah, oh, that's a tie. That's good. Where did I get killed? Oh my gosh, I got stuck. Fuck. No one can kill me here. Come on. Yes, I got one. Let me just get the other. Yeah! Yes! I'm gonna win the whole game right here. Just like this. Come to me. Come to me. There we go. There we go. This is the best strategy ever. Alright. I just have to sit back and relax, see how far I can go. Oh yeah, one more to go. Alright, this is how to play Joust. Come on. Come on. Come on, birdie, come this way. Alright, let's see if I can get out of this. I cannot get out of this, I'm stuck. I'm fucking stuck. Come on, birdie. Come over here so I can kill you. Fuck. Fuck, I don't want to sit around waiting for this dude to come. Oh, he's gonna come. Come on. Yes, a little bit more, a little bit more. Alright, come straight. Go up. Oh, this is terrible. Alright, I'm gonna stop this. Alright, he's coming in. He's coming in. This is ridiculous. Alright, this is stupid. I can't do this anymore. One last game. The final game. See how far I can go. No more fucking around. Get some speed going here. Oh, and I died. Come on. I'm not gonna get stuck again, am I? Oh yeah, two for one, and three, you're dead. Flying! Alright, I'm gonna be cheap and there we go. as they spawn, kill them off. And you're dead. And you're dead too. Finally, I'm getting better. No, don't land on my head. Alright, gotta go up. Change of pace! Oh! That got me. Yeah, I got you. No. I gotta beat this level. Yeah! No, I died. That was sad. Thought I had him. Oh, at least I got the egg in my decapitated body. Perfect. Game over! Alright guys, that was kind of pathetic on my half, but hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later.